How's everyone doing today? Well, if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Today we're just doing a little bit of a spring cleaning in the barn with the chicken coop. We're rearranging a few things so that we have room. She's getting pigs, Chris and my girlfriend, in a few days. So we need to clean the chicken coop or rearrange it so that we have room for pigs. So many animals she keeps bringing home, it's crazy. Anyways, this is where we fenced up last fall so the chickens could come out and free range around here and scratch up. The goal is to put a greenhouse up here that we have gotten last fall, but just didn't get time. So they've been doing a good job. We're probably going to put the pigs in here for a little bit as well, just to really root it up. I was digging over in the garden area yesterday and from underneath the turps, and there's so much quack grass here. I hate that stuff. It's at my old garden too, and I'm hoping the pigs can do some destroying of it and wrecking it out. But we've got the barn doors here open to air it out a bit. I just prop this open, keeps falling over in the wind. But there we go. We've moved the nesting boxes to the far side here. Logan is just getting the rabbit pen all cleaned up because it was pretty gross. How is that? Hard work? Yeah. That's good for you, isn't it? Gives you some muscles. She is a fat rabbit, aren't you? We thought she was pregnant. This other guy was supposed to breed her like a few months ago, and she hasn't popped any babies out, so we're not sure what's going on. I think she's too fat to get pregnant. Poor rabbit. Anyways, we'll come into the barn here. Here's the two baby cows. We had a sad, unfortunate, incident with the mother cow. We had to put her down. These are the calves we got from another farm that she was feeding, but that's probably for a different video. So what we've done here, we moved this panel that was across here and moved it over to that section so that they have a smaller area and they can go outside. And then this is where we're going to put the pigs, and there's a door there as well that we can open up and let them go outside into a fenced area. So I've been here feverishly digging up all the bedding. She likes to do the deep mulch layer system where you put some straw or wood shavings down, and then about a week after that you put more down and try to get it every week or two, put new shavings down so it absorbs all the waste from the chickens and gives you nice mulch for the summer for your garden beds. So what I've been doing, like I said, I've been digging it up. Let me tell you, it stinks like a beast. It's disgusting. So I've done about 6 wheelbarrow loads. I might do 1 or 2 more just because my allergies are kicking in. But I'll show you that process quickly here. I'll set my camera up and you guys can watch that. As well too, and after the pigs have done their job here, we're going to move them over to the other garden to root over there. And then by that time, her goat should be kidding. So she'll set this up as kidding pens as well. Try to get 2 pens set up so that she can have her baby goats in here. And then rotate the goats through as they kid and get the next ones through. So I'll do a few loads here of mulch, clean it out, and show you how that looks. I started using a shovel to start with, but that was not doing so well, so I switched to the pitchfork, which is working way better, and it's super thick and heavy, and it smells foul. It's probably like a foot thick, but it's good. We'll get outside, let that break down more, then we will have some beautiful compost for the gardens. Okay, that's what it will do for now. I'll take this load out and be right back. So this is our mulch pile from all the shavings from the cow this winter and just the rabbits and just getting the chicken manure out. So what we'll do, we'll probably come with the tractor, hopefully once a month, flip it over so it starts breaking down faster and ready for the garden beds. One thing I want to show you she bought a while ago is this chicken door. It's an automatic door. It's pretty awesome. Just sets the timer on it for daylight and dusk, and the chickens come and go as they please. So she doesn't have to keep opening a door for them every day. It's been working great for her. And yeah, you don't have to be out here to make sure they're all in. And they come in when it's time for bed. And it's awesome. So there you go, guys. I just want to show you the quick spring cleaning of the chicken coop here, the plans for it. As we progress, I'll show you what we're doing here. I won't be here much longer. I gotta get back to my campground and get open soon, so won't have too many more videos from the farm right now till I can get up here maybe on a day off and see what's going on. But I hope you guys enjoy that quick little video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.